Good morning students. Today we are going to perform experiment number 9, that is demodulation of AM signal. So in previous experiment number 3 and 4 we have generated the AM modulation signal. Now we have to demodulate the AM waveform and recover the original signal from modulated signal. So in this experiment number 9 we are able to get the original signal at the output and we are applying modulating signal at the input. So this is the AM modulation and demodulation trainer kit. So this kit has a modulation in one part and demodulation in another part. Okay, so here in this circuit we have to give modulating signal as an input to the demodulator circuit, and at the output of the demodulator circuit we will get the original signal. So this is the AM modulation and demodulation kit. In this part section you will get the demodulation, and in this section you will get the modulated signal. So the AM waveform which we have generated from the half part of the kit, that AM output we have to apply to the demodulator circuit. So this is the demodulator section. AM output we have to apply to this circuit, and we have to apply to the demodulator circuit over here. So this is the demodulator section of this kit. The output of the demodulator AM we have to apply at the input of the demodulation. The output of demodulation we are getting from CRO. So this is the original. Here the input has been provided, okay, and the output you will receive at the demodulated output at the demodulator circuit. So this is the original sine wave signal. We have just taken the output of demodulator part and connected it to the CRO. So on the CRO you are getting the original sine wave signal which we have applied at the input of the modulator section. And input and from the function generator we have applied the modulating signal to the input of the modulator section. The output of the AM modulator is applied as an input to the demodulator section, and the demodulated output we have to connect to the CRO. So here this is the original signal which we have received in the CRO. So the frequency of the modulating signal which we have set in the function generator is it is set to 1 kilohertz. Okay, now we'll have to verify whether the same signal this 1 kilohertz we have applied to the input to the modulator section, and after modulation we get the AM modulated output. AM modulated output we have given to the demodulator section, and demodulated output will give the original signal back. So if you can see here, if we calculate the peak to peak value over here, so this is exactly 1 kilohertz which we have received, the same signal which we give to the function generator, we have provided to the function generator as an input to the AM modulator section. So this 1 kilohertz and the frequency and the function generator 1 kilohertz. So and that original signal 1 kilohertz that has been verified. Now we will go to the observation table over here. So this is the observation table. First is the Vmax of input AM signal, and we have to find out the Vmin of input AM signal. Then we have to find out the modulation in percentage index. Then we have to calculate the peak to peak value of this original signal by clicking on the XY knob. You can calculate the peak to peak value of this amplitude and multiply with the voltage per division. Okay, and if you calculate it you will get the peak to peak value, and this is the observation table, and you can easily calculate the frequency of the demodulated output signal. So this is the observation table which I have already calculated. Note it down I hope you have understood the practical demodulation of AM signal. Thank you.